Research is a journey of curiosity, discovery, and a passion to contribute to knowledge. But every researcher soon learns that while generating ideas is exciting, keeping track of countless books, journal articles, and reports can become quickly overwhelming. This is where the reference manager becomes not just useful but essential. Number one, time is precious. You need to save it for what matters. Manually formatting citation and bibliography is a tedious task. Each journal, conference, or institution has its own referencing style, from Harvard to Harvard, Vancouver, Chicago, and more. A reference manager automates this process, giving you back hours that you can dedicate to refining your arguments, analyzing your data, or even focusing on scientific writing. Number two, stay organized and stay ahead. Imagine working on your thesis on an article and struggling to remember where you read a particular quotation or concept. Reference Manager allows you to build personal digital library where every source is stored, searchable, accessible across devices with folders, tags, notes, and you can quickly retrieve the exact paper you need even years later. Number three, accuracy builds credibility. Errors in citation can make even the strongest research look careless. Misplaced commas, missing authors, or wrong publication date can undermine your credibility as a researcher. But the reference manager can reduce the human error by automatically formatting your references to match the required style. This will ensure that your work meets standards and impress the peer reviewers. Number four is collaboration. Research is rarely done in isolation. Many reference managers allow you to share libraries with colleagues, making group projects seamless. Each one in this group or team stays on the same page, literally, and new paper can be added instantly to your folder. And this fosters collaboration, reduces duplication, and keep the team aligned. Number five, a tool for lifelong research success. Your career as a researcher will span years, perhaps even decades. A reference manager grows with you, storing the knowledge base that you have built over time. Instead of starting from the scratch with every project, you will have a curated, well-organized collection of resources at your fingertip. Number six, focus on ideas, not formatting. The ultimate goal of research is to contribute meaningfully to knowledge. Formatting reference is also important, but it should never overshadow your intellectual contribution. With a reference manager, you can focus your energy on generating insight and advancing your field. Confident that your technical detail of referencing are in safe hands. Finally, in today's fast-paced academic world, a reference manager is not a luxury, it is a necessity. Whether you're a graduate student writing your first thesis or a professor preparing a journal article, embracing this tool will transform how you work. Think of it as a personal research assistant, always organized, always accurate, and always available. Let technology handle the detail so you can do what you know how to do best. The research that matters. Check the link to this video on step-by-step guide on how you can set up your own reference manager. It is research and statistics. Follow me for more tips on research and statistics. Don't also forget to subscribe, like the video, share it with your colleagues, and I'll see you in my next video.